This is a video of the 2018 BMW M4 Ultimate Edition. It has every single option and package available from its time. It was about 130,000 MSRP Canadian, brand new. It is black sapphire metallic on black full merino leather. So you get the nice full titanium exhaust system with the carbon fiber tips, carbon fiber diffuser. Give you an exhaust clip a little bit later. Black badges from the factory, black carbon fiber wing, 20-inch competition wheels, staggered setup on Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires, nice blue M brake calipers, carbon fiber roof, very beautiful. It's got the side skirt, carbon fiber mirrors. We got the competition front bumper with the carbon fiber inserts at the bottom with the splitter for better aerodynamics and cutting through that air. Nice black grills. The car is in super good shape, as you can tell on the camera. It's got the comfort access. We have nice competition seats, very comfortable. These light up at night, which is pretty awesome. Harman Kardon sound system, full merino leather all across the dash, doors, nice contrast stitching. Even the door handles here are wrapped in that, as well as the whole dash. Carbon fiber trim, carbon fiber everywhere. Nice M steering wheel with the contrast stitching around it. It is heated, of course. There's your heated seats, heated wheel function there. Heated seats are here. With the competition package, you get the addition of the adjustable suspension. So you have Sport, Sport Plus, Efficient for the throttle response. For the suspension you can adjust, and for the steering wheel feel, I'm controlling with the buttons here. You can also program them to M1 and M2. Nice updated iDrive screen. More carbon fiber. You can adjust the aggressiveness of the transmission from here. Overall, really cool car. So when you have it in the Sport Plus mode, it opens up the exhaust valve. Here, I'll give you a demonstration. So here we are in the normal mode. It's in neutral. Sounds pretty good, but that's the quiet mode. You press this button here and then pay attention to that exhaust. Now the valve's opened up. Now it's going to be a lot louder. There you go. That's that amazing titanium exhaust sound system. And there you go. There's a short video of the 2018 M4 Ultimate Edition. Thanks for watching.